402, taxi via Echo and hold at Echo 2.
Echo to Echo 2, hold to Southwest 402.
So 402, contact ground on 121.7, goodbye. Q80 clear to land 27 right, 22013 knots.
Clear land 27 right, 3106.
Beaver 342, enable first left, first right, link to 8, hold November Bravo 1.
First left, first right, link to 8, hold November Bravo 1, Beaver 342.
Runway 27 left, you'll clear to land wind 230 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear to land, MLS 27 left, speedbird 901 unit.
12 knots. Q80 102, keep rolling down the runway.
Wait, 102.
Tower Shuttle 7 Sierra on the microwave, 7.9, 27 right.
Shuttle 7 Sierra, thank you, continue approach.
Continue Shuttle 7 Sierra.
Air France 180 Hotel behind the landing, British Airways 319, line up 27 left, via Sierra Bravo 3 behind.
Behind the landing, British Airways line up runway 27 left and wait behind ready for departure. France 180 Hotel.
Delta 2 Juliet, contact landing control 119.775, goodbye.
19775, Shuttle 2 Juliet line. 501.
Echo Golf Super, we are now with you.
And Echo Golf Super, contact ground channel 1.
Channel 1. Good morning.
117, thank you.
Channel 15 Delta, clear to land 27 right, 22011, gusting 22 knots.
Clear to land 27 right, Channel 15 Delta, thanks.
Tower Speedbird 377, 11.5 miles, MLS 27 right.
2377, good morning, continue.
Okay, descending flight level 11027 right, and we're going to be flying that, following that 380 down there, 761. Yeah, we're just worried about the spacing, more so the wind as we leave landboard. It's basically straight onto us, so we might pick up his vortices, we're just worried about that. But don't worry about it, thanks Tom.
From Sierra Bravo 327 left, clear takeoff, wind 220 degrees, 14 knots.
Good take off from right, 1
Your wings 3 Hotel, line up on way 27 left.
Your wings 3 Hotel, lining up and wait runway 27 left.
Beaver 572 behind the Euro wings on your right hand side, line up 27 left behind.
Behind the Eurowings on the right hand side, line up 27 left behind, speedbird 572. Level 80, Kennedy 501.
5 Delta, keep it rolling down to 10 Echo, you fine.
Shamrock 15 Delta.
Speedbird 377, did you get past on? We've got 120 knot final approach speed.
2377, I didn't know now, thank you.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries, as long as the radar guy knows, that's the main thing.
Take 1 speedbird 43 Lima Quebec, 10.8 miles, fully established microwave 279.
Speedbird 43 Lima Quebec, thanks, continue, and just confirm your present speed.
Present speed 160 knots, speedbird 43 Lima Quebec.
That's great, thank you. Channel 15 Delta, taxi via Echo and hold Echo 2. And Channel 15 Delta, ground 121.7, goodbye. Shuttle 7 Sierra, clear to land 27 right, 22016 knots.
Clear land 27 right, shuttle 7 Sierra.
Bravo 2 Echo, speedbird 890.
572, runway 27 left, clear takeoff, surface wind 220 degrees, 13 knots.
Clear takeoff 27 left, speedbird 572.
Speedbird 41 Yankee behind the United 757 on your right, line up 27 left behind.
Behind the United on our right, line wait behind 27 left, behind November 1, speedbird 41 Yankee.
Shuttle 70, contact ground on 121.850. Goodbye.
Ground 11850, shuttle 70 left.
Lufthansa 900, wind 230, 16 knots, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Lufthansa 900, 27 right, clear to land. Hello, video 31 Alpha Alpha.
Iberia 31 Alpha Alpha, continue approach.
We continue.
Minus 180 Hotel, thank you. London Control 133175, goodbye.
13175, bye.
3 Hotel, contact London Control 118825, goodbye.
Beaver 377, wind check.
Wind 230, 16 knots.
That's our speedbird 80 Golf.
Speedbird 80 Golf, hello, continue.
Continue speedbird 80 Golf.
Seven 744 and be ready for a November Bravo 3 departure.
377, clear to land 27 right, the wind 230, 16 knots.
Clear land, speedbird 377.
Wind 220 degrees, 13 knots.
Quick takeoff 27 left, 123.
Speedbird 41 Yankee behind the company 320, line up on your right hand side, line up 27 left behind.
46.
Speedbird 41 Yankee behind the company 320, line in, sorry, disregard.
Speedbird 43 Lima Quebec, after landing well quickly down to Alpha 10 Echo, please top grounder.
We'll try for Alpha Echo, speed 41 Quebec.
Speedbird 744, hold at November Bravo 3.
Hold November Bravo 3, speedbird 744, we're ready.
377, you can turn left there, the American's holding. Contact ground 121.850, goodbye.
Left 11850, thanks, speedbird 377.
Speedbird 43 Lima Quebec, clear to land 27 right, 230, 14 knots.
Clear to land runway 27 right, speedbird 43 Lima Quebec. Yankee, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 230 degrees, 14 knots.
Design clear takeoff, speedbird 41 Yankee.
Line uniform names continue.
Speedbird 416, line up on wait, runway 27 left.
Line up wait, speedbird 416.
London Control 134.125, bye-bye. 2102.
2102, goodbye.
2102, cross 27 left now, November 5 Whiskey.
Cross 27 left, November 5 Whiskey, 2102.
Lima, Quebec. Thanks for your help there. Ground 121.850. Goodbye.
11850, no problem. Bye.
Iberia 31 Alpha Alpha, wind 230, 14 knots, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 27 right, Iberia 31 Alpha Alpha.
Can you make that turn yet, or is it still a bit busy ahead of you?
Just moving now, so yeah, we'll be able to now.
Thanks, Food 744. Behind departing company 324 length, line up on weight 27 left, fly November Bravo 3 behind.
Okay, behind the departing company 320 from the 4 left, line up 27 left, November Bravo 3 behind, 744.
2102, contact ground 112.7.
217, good day.
Seabird 416, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind is 230 degrees, 15 knots.
Good thing I'll Seabird 416.
Seabird 41 Yankee, contact line and control 133.175, bye-bye.
133.175, good day, Seabird 41 Yankee.
Iberia 31 Alpha Alpha.
31 Alpha Alpha, thank you. Contact ground on 121.850.
11850, full on.
Speedbird 80 Golf, the surface wind 230, 17 knots, runway 27 right, clear to land.
27 right, clear to land, Speedbird 80 Golf.
Left, speedbird on 65.
27 right.
256 November Lima, thank you. Continue.
Continue, Speedbird 56 November Lima. On November Bravo 3, clear takeoff 27 left, Speedbird 744. Hello, Speedbird 947 Lima, 11 miles, microwave 27 right.
Speedbird 947 Lima, continue approach.
Portugal 371, behind departing British Airways 321, line up on weight 27 left behind.
Behind departing 321 British Airways 27 left, line up and wait behind the Portugal 371.
Seabird 416, contact line and control 120.525, bye-bye.
Area.
Okay, press left, camera 17,
Left, surface wind 220 degrees, 16 knots.
Take off 27 left, speedbird 165.
Seabird 906, remember, behind departing Air Portugal 319, full length, line up and weight 27 left behind.
Behind departing Portugal 319, line up and weight 27 left behind, Speedbird 906 November.
Seabird 117, hold November Bravo 2 Echo.
Hold November Bravo 2 Echo, Speedbird.
Shuttle 18 Yankee, hold November Bravo 3.
November Bravo 3, good morning, Shuttle 18 Yankee.
Morning, be air one about 4/5 minutes.
Okay. Main power stability, bye-bye.
Good morning, Scandinavian 501, establish ILS 27 right.
Navy 501, good morning, continue approach runway 27 right.
Scandinavian 501.
Portugal 371, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 17 knots.
Clear for takeoff 27 left, Portugal 371.
Seabird 342, behind departing company 319 on your right, line up on weight 27 left behind.
Behind the departing company 319 on our right, line up 27 left away, Seabird 342.
Seabird 744, contact landing control 118.825, bye-bye.
18825, Seabird 744, bye-bye.
Seabird 165, contact landing control 120.525, bye-bye.
10535, Seabird 1655.
Seabird 906 November, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 18 knots.
Clear takeoff 27 left, Speedbird 906 November.
Form contact 121.850, okay.
11850.
Seabird 56 November Lima, runway 27 right, clear to land, surface wind 230, 15 knots.
Clear land, 27
27 right, speed 56 November Lima.
28 hold November Bravo 1.
Straight ahead, link 3 and hold November Bravo 21 American 27.
Hold November Bravo 1.
November Bravo 1 American 27.
Shuttle 18 Yankee behind, departing company 319 full length, line up on 827 left, 5 November Bravo 3 behind.
Okay, after the departing 319 full length, line up on 827 left, behind 5 November Bravo 3, shuttle 18 Yankee.
Seabird 342, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 16 knots.
Seabird 342, clear for takeoff, 27 left.
Seabird 890 behind, departing company 319 the threshold, line up on 827 left behind, there will be intersection departure ahead of you.
Behind the company full length departure, line up behind 27 left with the intersection ahead, speed 38 knots.
Seabird 68 Hotel, straight ahead, link 28, hold November Bravo 1.
Straight ahead, link 28, hold November Bravo 1, speed 68.
Air Portugal 371, contact under control 134.125, bye-bye. Seabird 117 behind, departing company 320 on your ahead of you now, line up on 827 left behind.
Okay, behind the Airbus 61, line up runway 27 left behind, speedbird 117.
Shuttle 18 Yankee from November Bravo 3, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 230 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff, 27 left, shuttle 18 Yankee. 947 Lima, 27 right, clear to land, wind is 230, 18 knots. Clear land, 27 right, speedbird 947 Lima.
Take Quebec Sierra, 3 back, hold position.
Position Quebec Sierra.
Seabird 906 November, contact under control 120.525, bye-bye.
120.525, speedbird 906 November, bye-bye.
Hold November Bravo 2 Echo.
November Bravo 2 Echo, speedbird 758.
Seabird 726 Golf, hold November Bravo 2 Echo.
November Bravo 2 Echo, speedbird 76 Golf.
Seabird 846 Whiskey, left Bravo, link 28, hold November Bravo 1.
Bravo, link 28 and hold November Bravo 1, speedbird 846 Whiskey.
Seabird 890, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 230 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear takeoff 27 left, speedbird 890.
Seabird 342, contact under control 133.175, bye-bye.
133.175, 342.
950-127 right, clear to land, surface wind 230, 17 knots.
Lane 27 right, Canadian 501.
November Bravo 2 Echo.
Morning, hold Bravo 2 Echo, speed 42.
Morning. Bulgaria 852 behind, departing British Airways 747 full length, line up on 827 left, 5 Sierra Bravo 3 behind.
Departing 747 British, line up 27 left behind via Sierra Bravo 3, 852.
Seabird 117, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 14 knots, maximum 24.
Clear for takeoff 27 left, speedbird 117.
Cathay Quebec Sierra behind, departing British Airways 747, cross 27 left, November 5 Whiskey behind.
Departing British Airways 747, cross 27 left at November 5 Whiskey behind, Quebec Sierra.
Shuttle 18 Yankee, contact under control 119.775, bye-bye.
19775, shuttle 18 Yankee, bye-bye.
Bird 466, line up and wait, runway 27 left, intersection departure ahead of you.
Line up and wait, 27 left, intersection departure to go before us, speedbird 466.
Navy 501, first left, contact 121.850, bye-bye.
Left off now and 12185, again Navy 501 delay.
890, contact under control 120.525, bye.
120.525.
Right. Down to 12, morning, continue approach 27 right.
See, no problem.
Chanza 2 uniform, straight ahead, link 28, hold November Bravo 1.
Lufthansa 2 uniform, straight ahead, link E, hold November Bravo 1. Good morning.
Link 28.
Link 28, Lufthansa 2 uniform.
Quebec Sierra, left turn on taxiway Sierra.
Turn on to Sierra, Quebec Sierra.
4 Delta Charlie, hold November Bravo 2 Echo.
November Bravo 2 Echo, Speedbird 4 Delta Charlie.
117, contact London Control 134.125, bye-bye. Quebec Sierra, contact ground on channel 9.
Take channel 9, Cafe Quebec Sierra.
50, good day. 2185, shuttle in 2 litres.
2 Clifford from Sierra Bravo 3, Clifford takeoff runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 15 knots. American 87 behind, departing British Airways 320 ahead of you, line up on weight 27 left behind.
Yeah, the British Airways 320, 27 left, line up behind American 87.
United 922 left, link 28, hold November Bravo 1.
Left link 28, hold short November Bravo 1, United 922.
Bird 466, Clifford takeoff runway 27 left, surface wind 220 degrees, 13 knots, maximum of 24.
Clifford takeoff 27 left, Speedbird 466.
Speedbird 68 Hotel behind, departing American 777 ahead of you, line up on weight 27 left behind.
Behind the departing American 777 ahead, line up and wait, runway 27 left behind, 068 Hotel.